Conservative New Media viewers, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal. I want to report to you that apparently Singapore Airlines has now begun flying the Airbus A380 Super Jumbo between Singapore to Frankfurt and then to New York at JFK. Now, Singapore Airlines, I believe they were the first airline to use the Airbus A380 Super Jumbo. Now, by using the A380 between JFK and Frankfurt, this swaps out the Boeing 747-400 that they had been using, and by now using the A380 Super Jumbo, this should up their capacity for these flights by around 25%, which is a significant increase. Please note, the picture here is of an Emirates A380, but it is an Airbus 380. I just happen to like this picture. Reporting for Conservative New Media, I'm John D. Villarreal.